Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to join a person that is not your friend on Roblox. Alright, let's begin. First, you just have to log in to your Roblox account, and then you just have to simply look for that specific person that you want to join with on Roblox. So let's just type any random name here. So suppose that this one is the user that you want to play with. So the best thing to do to join or to play with someone without adding them as your friend is to simply look for their status. You should always know that this person is currently playing right now. So this symbol shows that this person is currently playing on Roblox. Then if you tap their profile, you should see the button that says join just right here, even if this person or user is not your friend. Maybe this is not available in your country or in your region, and it is also important that this player should turn on their join button or feature on their Roblox. Now, if this one is not available in your country, or you can't see this button or a feature right now, or it's not yet available in your region or country, you can go to Chrome Web Store and then search for this extension, what they call Row Searcher. And all you have to do is tap this line, add this to your Chrome, and then click Add Extension. So if this one is available in your country or your device or your region, then when you go back to that specific profile, you can see the button Join, even if this user is not yet your friend. So that's all for this video. I hope you found this video useful. If you did, make sure to like this video and subscribe the channel. See you guys in the next video. Thanks.